Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Cynthia Maynard. Today I have what we ate in a week for our dinners. And the first recipe is chicken barbecue ranch casserole. And I will have links below to the sources for these, whether they're online or whatnot. This was a simple I had used cooked turkey, pasta, and a bunch of veg. And it makes a really quick and easy meal. Sadly, this is my first video of this kind that I'm doing, and I will work on improving it, but I would eat the food and forget to take pictures. Oh man, but it was creamy and tasty, and it was good for a pinch on a weeknight meal. The second one is Instant Pot kielbasa and sauerkraut. I've made this a few times, and it is delicious. Use a high quality sauerkraut or make your own, and it's all really simple. Sauteing the kielbasa, some carrots, onions, potatoes, and the sauerkraut. Again, I will leave a link below. I believe this is an online recipe. The first two are definitely online recipes, and will be easy to get links for you for that. And yeah, basic pantry things that you have. If you have sauerkraut, here's a picture of it in the Instant Pot, all ready to go. Stir it up and cook it, and it is really delicious. You can use a slotted spoon to serve it, and it's not going to win a beauty contest, but it is tasty. It's got the kielbasa, it's got the carrots, the sweetness of the carrots, the potato, the acidity of the sauerkraut. Very, very tasty. Again, here's a picture. Not going to win any beauty contest, but it is tasty, it's easy to make, and it's good for you. And buy high quality ingredients, you'll be fine. That is an easy one to make. Recipe number 3 is a crock pot potato soup. This one is very creamy and delicious, hits all the right notes. Here it is before I started cooking it. So basically you just chop up all the things, put it in there, cook it, and at the end you end up adding a couple things. Here it is in my husband's lunch containers here, but it is creamy and delicious and hits all those special little spots that we all want in a yummy creamy potato soup. And of course I served it with my freshly milled bread made in my bread machine. I've got a ton of bread machine videos on my channel, so check those out. Recipe number 4 is another slow cooker, spaghetti bolognese. This one uses 2 pounds of ground beef, or you could mix with lamb or pork or whatever. And it makes a ton. We had 2 meals out of it, plus I had all these leftovers in containers for lunches. Sorry, again, no beauty contest here in this video, folks. But, keeping it real. But it was tasty. I know it's basic meat and spaghetti, but it was really good. Here is recipe number 5, a pepperoni onion pizza. I have a bread machine video for that pizza dough. I used some freshly milled flour mixed with AP flour, just some cheeses I had, some garlic, olive oil, herbs, pepperonis. I used turkey pepperoni here because I prefer that. Some pizza sauce, some more cheese, some sliced onions. And it was so delicious. We never get takeout pizza because it's just too easy to make at home. And the bread machine recipe makes 2 pound dough balls. So 2 1 pound dough balls, I should say. And so I often will make it. It's so easy. I pop it in the fridge, and then anytime you sort of freak out, you have something for lunch. I shredded in my food processor some cabbage, some kale, and tossed in some cheese, some homemade ranch dressing. That was our side for our veg. And what can I say? Doesn't get any easier than that meal, right? Using a food processor can seem intimidating to people, but it is not. Just go ahead and throw stuff in there through the slicer and chop it up, toss, and go. Recipe next, the bonus one, is a 7-layer dessert bar that I used. And again, I will leave links. This is super easy, and you can use what you have. We had some shredded coconut. I used actually some Butterfinger crumbles, and of course graham cracker crumbs, sweetened condensed milk, chocolate chips. But you could use whatever you have in your pantry. Sometimes if I have chips to use up, I will just dump those in there as well. So dump it all in. You could do nuts as well. Our family, we love nuts, but we don't like it in our desserts. So unless it's pecan pie. But anyways, I hope that you will find those helpful. I will work on making these videos a little bit prettier. Thanks so much.